Hi, welcome to Metal Oil Tools. This video will demonstrate how to uninstall the Graplon metal seal coil tubing connector. The equipment required for this is a hydraulic hand pump, the Graplon hydraulic jig and a spanner. To start off, we undo the single grub screw in the top sub and the 4 grub screws in the bottom sub. Make sure these are clear. Now we fix the hydraulic jig over the connector. We now need to apply 6,000 psi via the hand pump, which will create a 42,000 pound compressive load from the hydraulic cylinder onto the grapple. The piston will start to take up the load now. We continue to 6,000 psi, and while the connector is under load, we can now back off the bottom sub release the pressure, the pistons retracting back into the hydraulic jig. As soon as that's fully retracted now, we can remove the jig from the connector. Now carry on to disassemble the connector, unscrewing the bottom sub, remove the seal housing, and you can see the grapple is still energized onto the coil tubing, so we'll a sharp tap with a soft mallet releases that. Remove the grapple collet. As you can see, it's 100% reusable. In fact, this particular connector has been tested in-house over 50 times, including pressure testing and pulling to tensile yield on pull testing of the coil tubing. If you'd like further details on our products or any questions you may have, we have some new tooling ideas on our website. Please visit the details shown below. Thank you.